Today we're talking about the latest Windows November 11, 2025 update, KB5068861, and all the major problems users are facing. From installation failures to broken SMB search, slow network speeds, and even Bluetooth issues on handheld devices. I'll show you exactly what's happening and how to fix each issue step by step. KB5068861 is November's Patch Tuesday update. It installs automatically and includes fixes for 63 security vulnerabilities. But for many users, the update isn't installing at all. The biggest issue right now is the update failing to install on some PCs. Users are reporting errors 0x80070306, 0x800F0983, and 0x800F081F. Even SFC scans or DSM checks don't fix it. These errors are confirmed by multiple reports across Feedback Hub and Reddit. So how do you fix it? The simplest solution is to use the Media Creation tool. Even if the normal update fails, the MCT downloads Windows 11 build 26200.7171, which includes the same update, and upgrades the system without deleting your files. Alternatively, you can manually download the .msu package from the Microsoft Update catalog. Now before we go deeper into bugs, here's what the update actually improves. A new Start menu layout, colorful battery icons, improved grid view, fixes for display refresh issues during gaming, and faster taskbar loading after sleep. Handhelds also see better battery performance. But there's a new problem. Handhelds like the Asus ROG Ally are seeing Bluetooth failures. The fix is simple: open Device Manager and disable AMD Bluetooth audio. Re-enable the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter. This solution is working for most users. The November update breaks SMB search for organizations using network drives, file servers, or NAS devices. Windows stops using the server's index and tries to rebuild everything locally. This causes slow search results. Empty search lists. Only file names showing. To fix this, run these PowerShell commands as admin. If it still doesn't work, go to Control Panel. Indexing Options, then Advanced, click on Rebuild. This will re-index all files, including those on the server. There is another related bug: Windows cannot use the server's search index at all, meaning remote indexed search over SMB is completely broken. Include in Library also disappears for some users. There's no fix except uninstalling the update. Here's how to remove the update safely. First, if Sandbox is enabled, you need to disable it. Use these DSM commands. Or uninstall this update's KB5068861. Some system admins report internet speed dropping from 950 megabits per second to just 15 megabits per second after the update, caused by SMB search and indexing issues. Restoring the system removes the problem. So that's the full breakdown of everything wrong with KB5068861, and all the working fixes. Tell me in the comments if you faced any installation failures, Bluetooth issues, or slow SMB search after this update. And don't forget, like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows 11 updates.